My name is Val Granados, and this is my daughter.
Vania.
And we've been coming here, well, way longer than my daughter. She's 7. And we like to patronize the local business, small business. We like to support it. There's a different feel when you're coming into the store of local businesses. It's personal. It means something. It's always a positive interaction here. Great customer service. And there's a huge difference between major, big businesses, big industrial. When you come to a small local business, it's special. Personal interactions, they take the time with you, answer any questions, very helpful. If you're walking down the store and you're looking like you're lost, they're immediately available to help you and provide assistance, and they also give my little girl candy.